Good afternoon, my dear students. My name is Baba Patel. I am working as an English teacher in Sri Balasideshwar High School, Anupur. Dear students, today we are going to start a new poem. That is Za Poem 2. So this poem was written by Carl Wendell Heinz Jr. Carl Wendell Heinz. Dear students, before we are going to start this poem, I am asking a few questions to you. Students, you know that the music instruments, I think you have all know that music instruments. So among that instruments, here in this poem, the poet want to use that saxophone musician. Here, the poet Carl Wendell Heinz, he introduced the saxophone musician. The poet he want to explain the physical appearance of that saxophone musician. How that musician he gave a great message to the world using that saxophone music. Through his music, he want to say or he want to give a good message to the people or message to this world. And also he want to explain his physical appearance. So that the poet he want to give a details regarding this saxophone musician. And also in this poem, through his music, he compares. There is a comparison between a bird which was flying high in this sky. The poet he want to give a comparison to his music, saxophone music, to that bird, how it was flying high in this sky. Like that, his message also he gave his message to this world. So let us, we gave, is the musician, the saxophone musician he is silent in his speech. He is very silent person in his speech, but eloquent in his music. He is very silent in in his speech, but he was eloquent in his music. Through his music, he want to give a good message to this world. So like that, this poem gave some idea or some message regarding the musicians, how they are. Let us, we are going to read this poem. Let us look in front of the text, students. To go through this text. Now I am going to recite this poem. There he stands seen like a black ancient martyr. His wrinkled old face so full of worries of living is turned downward. Closed eyes He is a bright color, faded blue, old shirt turns dark with the sweat and the old necktie undone drops loosely above the wall. Old jacket just barely holding his sagging stomach in yard. His run down shoes have pepper in them and his rough unshaven face shows pain. In each wrinkle but there he stands himself in self-brought subdued head. Still down eyes, still closed ears, perked and trying upon the bass line for across his chest lies an old alto saxophone supported from his neck by a wide coat hanger. Gently he lifts it now to parted lips. See too. Tell all the world that he is a black man, that he was sent here to preach the black gospel of Zah. Now preaching it with words of screaming notes and chords. He is no longer a man, not even a black man, but a bird. Yes, a bird, one that gathers his wings and flies 40 higher until he flies away or come back to find himself a black man again. Again I recite this poem once again. There he stands like a black ancient man, one year his wrinkled old face so full of the worries of living is turned downward with closed eyes, his faded color fading, blue old shirt turns dark with the sweat and his old necktie undone drops loosely above the wall. Old jacket just barely holding his sagging stomach in yard, his run down shoes have paper in them in his and his rough unshaven face shows pain. In each wrinkle but there he stands in self-brought solitude head, still down eyes, still closed ears, perked and tied upon the vast line for across his chest lies unmoved. Alto saxophone supported from his neck by a white coat hanger. Gently he lifts it now to parted lips. See too. Tell all the world that he is a bad man, that he was sent here to speak the black gospel of Zah, now preaching it with words of screaming notes and chords. He is no longer a man, no, not even a black man, but a bird, one that gathers his wings and flies 40 high, flies higher until he flies away or come back to find himself a black man again. Yes, what I have told already. Dear students, here in this poem, the poet you want to explain about the saxophone musician, about his physical appearance also, and also a great message to the world. Even he is a black man, he is giving a good message to the world. Through his music, he gave a good message to the world. Here, there is a comparison between the word flies higher in the sky. Like that, his music also goes through the high and higher in this world. Let us go through the first stanza, the poem stanza. Then he stands see, like a black ancient man, he is a wrinkled old face, so full of worries of living is turned downward way. Here in this first 4 or 5 lines, the point you want to say, how he was standing there, how his face, how he was looking like. So here, there is a picture is given here. Look at this text. There was a picture is given. Look at the picture. That picture is belongs to that musician, saxophone musician. It shows his physical appearance, how he was standing here. Look at that picture. Then he starts singing. The poet says, then he starts singing. Look at, he was standing there. Like a black ancient man. Black ancient, like a black ancient man. Black ancient man means a reference to the poem. The poem he wants to take a reference. Ancient means old. Monument, like old monument. So like here, the poet he wants to say that music, that saxophone musician, then he starts singing. He was standing there, singing, like a black ancient man. Barney, he is a wrinkled old face. His face was wrinkled. There is a line in the face of the musician, saxophone musician. That is wrinkled in his face. There is a wrinkle in his face. So full of worries of living is turned downward ways. I think the saxophone musician, he was full of worries. When there is a worries in his mind, then we see that wrinkled face. Wrinkled means there is no nice. It seems to like a wrinkle. There is a lines in the face. Like that, there he was see. There he was standing there. There he stands. Look at there. His face was wrinkled, full of worries. He was looking turned downward way. He was looking down towards down. This is the explanation about this the saxophone musician, how he was standing there. Closed eyes, his fine over faded blue old shirt turns dark with sweat, and the old necktie undone drops loosely about the wall. See, closed eyes. He was closing his eyes. He was full of worries. His face was full of wrinkles, and his frayed collar, faded blue old shirt turns. He was wearing a blue faded old shirt turns. So he was wearing a blue old shirt, faded shirt. It is a very dusty shirt, full of dust. It was a faded blue old shirt turns dark with the sweat and the old necktie and the dogs. See, he was wearing such type of faded blue old shirt. It was turns. And the old necktie light under drops loosely about the world. It is full loose short, it was faded and it was turned and it was full of that sweated that he full of that loose shirt he was wearing. Old jacket, he was wearing old jacket, just barely holding his sagging stomach in edge. Sagging stomach. He was the stomach is sagging means it was what you call that jotu sagging. That the sagging stomach, his stomach was sagging. In air, his run down shoes have pepper in them. He was wearing the torn shoes. Inside the shoes, he was wearing the paper. It means the shoes were torn also. Torn. Patch. Was so that he was using that paper inside the shoes also. And his rough, unshaven face shows pain. His rough, unshaven face. He did not shave the face. So it shows that face, unshaven face, it shows the pain. He was full of worries. He was full of thinking, worries, sorrows. So like that, the poet he want to explain his physical appearance. His full face shows unshaven face. He did not shave his face. Shows pain. Unshaven face, it shows pain. In age wrinkled, but then he stands in self-brought solitude high. Even though he was full of worries, unshaven face, and also he was full of pain in his, and also he is having a sagging stomach, torn shirt, old faded shirt, loose shirt, and also he was wearing turned back to the shoes also. Inside his shoes he was having the papers. So that solitude head. Solitude means the state of being alone. Solitude means it seems to you became an alone person. He was full of worries. He is full of pain. So that still down eyes, still closed ears. Still down eyes, he was looking down. Still closed ears. His ears also closed. Perfect and turned upon the bass line for across his chest lies an old. He was having the saxophone across his chest. He is having a belt or he is having that saxophone. His saxophone is across his chest. Alto saxophone supported from his neck by a white coat hanger. The saxophone, it seems like the shirt when you are going to hanger. Like that, he was having that saxophone around his chest. Alto saxophone supported from his neck by a white coat hanger. Gently he lifts it now to parted lips see to. Then he take his saxophone, he want to blow with his lips. Tell all the world that he is a black man. That saxophone musician, he was a black person, black man. Tell all the world. He says that I am a black man. Tell all the world that he was sent here to preach the black gospel of Zah. That the God sent him to preach something to the people in this world. Preach. Sent here to preach the black gospel of Zah. Black gospel. You know that gospels like angels. He was like an angel. He was from that. He was sent from that to here to preach something to this world, the people of the world. He gave him some message, like a blood gospel of some. Now preaching him with the words of. He was preaching. Preaching means teaching. Preaching means teaching. So he want to preach or teach something, the message to this world. Screaming notes and choosy. He is no longer a man, no, not even a black man, but actually a bird. Here, the poet, he want to compare this za person to the patch, means a kind of bird. How he gave that message to this world? A bird, one that gathers his wings and flies higher. How that bird, it flies and gathers his wings, or flying with his wings, higher in this sky. The poet, he want to compare this Za poet's music, or he gave some message to this world. Like this bird, how it flies higher in the sky. So, even he is no longer a man, no, not even a black man, but a bird. One that gathers his wings and flies higher until he flies away. Until it flies away in the sky, higher like this. Even he became a black man, he gave a good message to this world through his music, saxophone music. Even he was a poor person. He was a black man. He was like an angel. He gave a good message to the people through his music. Like a bird, how it flies higher in the sky till it was flying. Gather his wings and flies higher until he flies away or come back to the point himself till when it flies away. A black man again, again he was a black man. Even though he is a black person, he is a black man, he gave good message to this world. Here in this poem, the poet, he compares to that flying, how that bird, it was flying higher to the sky till it was flying like that. Even though that musician or the saxophone musician, he was through his music, he gave the message to this through his word, through his music, he gave a message to the world. A black man again. Like here, this is the summary of this poem. The poet, he wants to explain all those things about his physical appearance and also the message which was given by this saxophone musician to this world. How he was becoming an old ancient person. He was a black man. And also he was having a sagging sermon, and also he is having closed eyes, closed ears, even though he is having that sweated coat and old shoes and also shirts here. He was having full of worries. He was full of thinking. His face was unshaved. His face seems to be full of pain. Even though he was having such a pain or worries, unshaven face, wrinkled face, and also he is a black man. Even he is like a gospel of Jah. He gave some message to this world through his music. A bird, how he flies higher in the sky. Like that, through his music, he gave some message to this world. Even though he is a black man, the color is not important. The thing is how he is giving a message to the world through his music. So this is very important. And also he was having such a torn shoes, torn old faded shirt, loose shirt. His stomach was sagging. Even though having such a poor condition, and also black person, black man, he was giving a good message through his the saxophone music to this world. Dear students, this is the summary of this poem. So color is not important. The skill is very important. The people, whether he became a poor or rich, the skill or he was a poem, that saxophone musician, he gave a good message to this world. Yes, now we are going to this new words. Here in this poem, we are going to introduce new words here. Ancient Maya. Ancient Maya means a reference to the poem. A reference to the poem. Various of living. Various of living. Various of living means no longer interested. And also sag, to hang. You know that the sagging of stomach. That is, the stomach was hanging. It was having stomach, a hanging stomach. Sagging stomach means hanging, sagging, that means to hang, hanging stomach. Solitude. Solitude means the state of being alone. The state of being alone. Solitude. He was a solitude person. He was looking down. He was full of worries person. So solitude means the state of being alone. He was the alone person. And ESP means brighten up. Brighten up. These are all the new words we are going to introduce in this poem. Let us go through this poem. Who is the speaker of this poem? Second one, write about the physical appearance of the person. As I told you about the physical appearance of this person means a saxophone musician. That is, how has he handled his instrument? The instrument means saxophone. How he handled his instrument. And his instrument. The fourth one is, what is the message has given? What is the message? A message has given. It means the message. What was the message he want to give to this world through his music? So here in this poem, the poet he want to compare to this bird, how it was flying high. So like this, these are all the questions we are going to do this homework here. Have you understood this poem, students? Having any doubts regarding this poem? Any doubts you are going to ask now? Ask any questions about this poem. Saxophone means when you are going to attend the marriages, there almost all the musicians are having this saxophone also. Drum set, also saxophone also. Through this saxophone, they were going to music with the songs. Some songs were going to feed. So this is the summary. about this poem Sa, poem 2. It is this summary also very important. In the view of examination or annual examination, this summary also brings us 4 marks in the annual examination. You are going to practice this summary. We are going to practice with writing this summary also, and also different difficult words also it is using. Here it is better to go through, write and practice it for the sake of your annual examination. It brings 4 marks. Anyhow, my dear students, today what you are going to learn from this poem? Tell me. Yes, anybody? Yes, the color is not important. So the skill is very important. Here it was a black black man. The color is not important. Even though he was full of worries or full of things, the thoughts in his mind, and he was also a poor person. It is not important, but his message which was given through his musician or music to this world. So that here we are going to know that color is not important, whether a person is poor or rich, it is not important. The skill is very important, the music is very important, and also his physical appearance is not important. Just he is having such a message, he was ready to give some message to this world through his music. That is important. So we are going to know this message or theme of this poem, or central idea of this poem, that is very important. So we are going to analyze this. We are going to think like this, that person is not important, the color is not important, the physical appearance is not important. So it is very important that the person, how he was giving a good message to this world through his music. So that's why we are going to think about this poem is very important. The summary is also very, very important for the sake of the annual examination. So that we are going to think it is a very good poem. So that we are going to understand that musician music also a good skill. You are also going to adapt or practice a good music or a good skill also you are going to adapt through your studies also. So many students, they were having to practice, they were going to practice some music. You know, the tabla, harmonium, and also that saxophone style. That other instruments also very important. It is better to practice that music instruments through the music instrument. It was very good practice. You are also going to practice this type of music instruments. It is an extra skill what you are going to know or what you are going to practice. While some students are practicing singing, dancing, and also practicing this instruments. That music instruments, that is very important. So, dear students, you are having any doubts regarding this? You may ask any questions regarding this poem, Sa, poem 2. So, this is also very important. This is also very important for the sake of our examination purpose. It brings 4 marks. It brings 4 marks for the sake of this annual examination. As I told you that the quality of mercy is also very important for the sake of examination. and this summary also very important. This poem also the very important for your annual examination, the summary. So you have to practice through this poem, and also you have to give interest regarding this poem or regarding this poem or somebody you are having such a interest regarding this poem. So, having any doubts, you may ask any doubts here. So, new words are also very important. You are going to use these words in your own words, your own sentence. You have to try to use these words in your own sentences. It's also very good to use these own sentences. So also these homework questions also very easy. We are going to answer these questions. To ask some question, answer these questions. You are going through this text, this poem to know about this poem. Anyhow, today we are going to know this the musician, how he was a very important skill he was having to practice. Almost all we are going to practice this type of was the musicians music language. So not only this saxophone, we are going to try to practice other instruments also. So like this, it is very good or important to know this. So when we have today, we are going to know about this Za poem 2 summary or Za poem 2 class summaries. This poem is also very important. I think so many students they were having the practice regarding so many music instruments. It's a very good practice. Is also having extra skills also you are having. You may go through this. You may go to practice other instruments also. So like that we are having such a good instruments in your life also. This is the extra skill what you are going to sing or practice in your class, so that it is a better good to know that this practicing the music is very important. That it is having your practicing that instrument, how you are going to know this about this that solitude. Again, I told you about these new words. Again, I told these new words. The ancient Nahanian, a reference to the poem, warriors of living no longer is